Welcome to our channel where we discuss everything related to finance and trading. In today's video, we will be discussing Bitcoin trading strategies and sharing tips and tricks that can help you make profitable trades. Bitcoin has gained immense popularity in recent years and has become a widely traded asset in the financial markets. However, trading cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin can be quite challenging as it is highly volatile and unpredictable. In this video, we will share some strategies that can help you navigate the market and make informed trading decisions. Tips and tricks. Keep up with the news. Bitcoin's price is heavily influenced by news and events related to the cryptocurrency market. Keep yourself updated with the latest news related to Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies to make informed trading decisions. Analyze market trends. Analyzing market trends is crucial to understanding Bitcoin's price movements. Technical analysis tools such as charts, indicators, and oscillators can help you identify market trends and patterns. Set a clear trading plan. A clear trading plan is essential to successful trading. Determine your entry and exit points, risk management strategies, and profit targets before entering into a trade. Use stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders can help limit your losses in case the market moves against you. Set a stop-loss order at a price level that you are comfortable with losing. Diversify your portfolio. Diversifying your portfolio is important to reduce your overall risk. Invest in multiple assets and avoid investing all your money in one asset or trading strategy. Don't let emotions drive your trades. Emotions such as fear and greed can lead to impulsive trading decisions that may result in losses. Develop a disciplined and objective approach to trading. These are some tips and tricks that can help you make profitable trades while trading Bitcoin. Remember, successful trading requires discipline, patience, and a willingness to learn and adapt. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more finance-related content.